What is this? It looks like it's got yellow flowers already coming out. And how much can I sell it for? Oh, interesting. And that's a big clump of it too. So I would assume with some stuff like this, you can separate it out and I don't know. Today is like what? February Valentine's Day-ish? Tuesday? I have no idea what the date is. But that's really cool. And yeah, that's like a flower. Somebody out there is going to know what this is. And thank you in advance. But there's another one. There's another one right behind there. There's another one. Kitty was shuffling around and it made me notice it. Well, and it sticks out because it's really about the only green. Cool. Okay. This is all the same stuff. That is all the same stuff. And I don't know why I didn't notice this before. Probably because there weren't little yellow flowers. I am on the back side of the shed house thing. There's my well and mobile home. Bunch of junk insulation. But greenery in the middle of February with looks like little yellow flowers. And how many bunches of them are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 25 bunches of them. Okay, I gotta go do some research. Can these be dug up and can they be sold? Woohoo! You got the hiccups, #1. Get you a drink. Hold your breath. That's the best way to get rid of the hiccups. Oh, you're going for the cat food. Good afternoon from Bobblehead Homestead. Today is Wednesday. I'm Jeff. It's easily 60 degrees. Mostly sunny, some clouds here and there. Just an all-around wonderful day. I, however, am still recovering from overuse of muscles. Well, that's cool. He wanted to stop and talk, so he's got some more boards he's going to bring over for me. I'll take it. Alright, this is probably going to be pieced together from yesterday. When I unloaded the truck yesterday and caught some other footage, woodpecker. So, yeah, I'll piece Tuesday and Wednesday together and get this out tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning I'm going into Russellville, so probably no video until Saturday. Yeah. More free stuff? Why not? Oh, he just stopped by on his tractor. Hey, you want this? Yeah, I'll take it. Holy cow. I have no idea what that is or supposed to be, or might be a shipping crate. I have no idea what it is. And I didn't ask, the tractor was too loud. He just asked me where to put it. Oh, but that, very interesting. Very interesting. It's not the most stable thing in the world, but it's free. So yeah, more free stuff. I'm going to have to come up with some type of policy that I need to get more stuff out of here than I bring in. I was doing pretty good at that when I first got here. I was taking out a lot more stuff than I brought in. But now, well, at least all the stuff I'm bringing in is either wood or useful. Okay, catch you guys on Saturday. Well, let's just take a closer look at this. No idea. No idea. I don't know how sturdy it is, but I could probably brace it up some and just enclose the whole thing so that, well, like if I get baby chicks and I want to start acclimating them outside, or you know, keeping them outside, I could just keep them inside, something like that. That would easily do, you know, a good dozen chicks until they're big enough to join the flock. I do not know, but cool. More free wood at the very least. It's been a while since I got a shot of the mountains from the end of my driveway, and it just dawned on me now because they look black. They're covered, the sun is out here, but the sun is not out over there, so the clouds are covering out the sun and it just looks black over there. Kind of an eerie scene. All right, look at the daffodils the next day. Got the first shot of them yesterday. There's one flower that's opened up. Oh, and in the front, you see that leaf in the front? The daffodil blade grew right through a hole. So that leaf is kind of along for the ride. Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Very nice indeed. And yes, I know there's a bottle of yarn and what looks like a fishing basket on the ground there, but that can come up at a later date.